Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Yeti Cooler Plug is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your cooler's legendary ice retention, ensuring your drinks stay perfectly chilled and your adventures remain leak-free, making a reliable replacement essential for anyone who values their outdoor gear's peak performance and longevity. Number 5. Beast Universal Cooler Drain Plugs. These replacement drain plugs are designed for a wide range of popular coolers. They fit perfectly with Rtic, RCA, and Yeti Tundra models, as well as Yeti tank ice buckets. Experience superior leak protection with these rugged drain plugs. They allow your cooler to drain efficiently, even when only partially open, keeping your contents secure. This improved design offers better performance for your Yeti Rtic, Tundra coolers, and tank ice buckets. It ensures a reliable seal and smooth operation. Opening and closing them is incredibly easy. Their improved finger knob design provides much better leverage, making them simple to operate. Crafted for longevity, these plugs are built to withstand tough conditions. You can trust them to provide consistent, dependable drainage for all your adventures. What we like. This 2-pack offers a leak-proof and rugged design, allowing for convenient draining. Its improved finger knob makes opening and closing a breeze, even with wet hands. If you're tired of struggling with stiff plugs and want an effortless way to drain your cooler, this is the perfect upgrade for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate the requested points. Number 4. Essential Values Compatible Yeti Rtic Cooler Latches. Is your cooler showing its age? These replacement latches are designed to bring new life to your favorite cooler. They are compatible with both Yeti and Rtic models. This 2-pack set features an improved design, allowing you to replace both latches for maximum durability. Experience superior performance that lasts longer. Easily replace your old, worn-out latches with these. Their solid performance ensures a tight-fitting lid, keeping your drinks and snacks colder for longer. Crafted from non-slip, extra-durable rubber, these latches are built tough. They are designed to outlast even the original factory parts, providing reliable service. Whether it's sun, snow, or rain, these latches are endurance-tested to perform in all conditions. They won't let you down when you need your cooler most. We believe in the quality of these replacement parts. They are engineered to provide reliable performance and customer satisfaction. What we like. These aftermarket latches are crafted from heavy-duty, durable rubber, designed to outlast original factory parts. They ensure a tight-fitting lid, keeping your contents colder for longer. If you're experiencing worn-out latches and need a robust, long-lasting solution to maintain your cooler's performance, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Yeti Rtic Cooler Drain Plugs Replacement. These replacement drain plugs are designed to fit a variety of popular coolers. They are compatible with Yeti, Rtic, Tundra, tank ice buckets, and Rtic models. Experience an improved finger knob design for easier opening and closing. You can even drain your cooler when it's partially open, no need to fully remove it. These plugs offer a perfect, leak-proof solution to replace your old or broken cooler drain plugs. They ensure your cooler stays sealed and prevents any unwanted leaks. Using them is incredibly simple, allowing you to drain water even when partially open. Tightening them securely also helps prevent cold loss from your cooler. Crafted from durable and rugged materials, these replacement plugs are built to last. They ensure easy water flow and reliable performance for years to come. What we like. These replacement drain plugs boast wide compatibility with various popular cooler brands and models. Their improved finger knob design allows for easy partial draining without full removal, preventing cold loss. If you own multiple cooler brands or simply want a versatile and user-friendly drain plug that keeps your ice longer, this option is ideal. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. The source was empty, so no points could be extracted or quoted. The request for 2 to 3 points could not be fulfilled as there was no content to select from. Number 2. Up2 Win Cooler Drain Plug Small. Introducing the Up2 Win Cooler Drain Plugs. These small, leak-proof replacements feature an upgraded design for superior performance. They ensure your cooler stays dry and secure. These drain plugs are designed to fit a wide range of popular coolers. They are compatible with Yeti Tundra Roti, Orca, Nice, and Rtic models. Check the specific sizes for a perfect fit. For Rtic coolers, please note their specific compatibility. They fit models with one drain hole manufactured before 2017. For newer Rtic coolers with 2 drain holes, they are suitable for the smaller opening. Crafted from robust ABS with a silicone seal, these plugs are built for endurance and easy use. Their upgraded design allows for an easier twist. You can even partially open them to drain water without full removal. Experience easy operation with these replacement plugs. They screw in tightly, providing a secure, leak-proof seal. Keeping them tightened also helps maintain your cooler's internal temperature. Each package includes 2 of these essential cooler drain plugs. Their cross-deep groove design ensures they can be twisted easily, even in damp or slippery conditions. Get ready for hassle-free drainage. What we like. Constructed with an ABS plus silicone seal, these drain plugs offer a robust and leak-proof solution. Their upgraded twist design ensures easy operation even in damp conditions, and they have specific compatibility notes for Rtic coolers. If you prioritize a strong, reliable seal and have a specific Rtic model, these plugs are engineered to meet your needs. What people say. Number 1. Yeti Rtic Cooler Drain Plugs Replacement. Looking for a reliable replacement for your cooler's drain plugs? These are designed to fit a wide range of popular coolers, including Yeti, Roti, and Rtic models. They ensure your cooler stays functional and leak-free. Experience an upgraded design with an improved finger knob. This makes opening and closing them much easier. You can even drain water partially without fully removing the plug. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, these plugs are incredibly strong and built for long-term use. Their robust construction ensures a leak-proof seal every time. Say goodbye to old, broken, or leaky drain plugs. These offer a perfect, leak-proof solution, ensuring your cooler maintains its temperature and prevents spills. Using them is incredibly simple. Drain water with just a partial opening. When fully tightened, they effectively prevent cold loss, keeping your contents chilled longer. What we like. Made from durable ABS plastic, these replacement drain plugs are built for long-lasting performance and a secure, leak-proof seal. The improved finger knob design ensures effortless opening and closing. If you're seeking a highly durable and reliable drain plug that will withstand repeated use and maintain its integrity over time, this is a solid choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.